Voiceover. May 10th marks a turning point in the annals of history, a day when a man known for his indomitable spirit and formidable oratory skills took the helm of the United Kingdom during one of its darkest periods. Winston Churchill, a name that echoes through the corridors of history, became Prime Minister. Voiceover. The stage was set in 1940, and Europe was in turmoil. The shadow of Nazi Germany loomed large, having swept across much of the continent. Britain, standing on the precipice of invasion, needed a leader forged in the crucible of resolve and unyielding courage. Voiceover. Facing immense pressure, Neville Chamberlain stepped down, his policy of appeasement crumbling in the harsh light of conflict. His resignation paved the way for a leader who would come to symbolize Britain's wartime resilience. Voiceover. Churchill stepped into the breach with a vigor that stirred the British soul. His first speech to Parliament as Prime Minister was nothing short of a rallying cry, promising his countrymen blood, toil, tears, and sweat in the face of adversity. Voiceover. Under his leadership, Britain faced the Luftwaffe's onslaught with a spirit of defiance. The Battle of Britain and the relentless Blitz tested the mettle of the nation, but Churchill's speeches injected a steel spine into the populace. Voiceover. The new Prime Minister also proved instrumental on the global stage, forging alliances that were crucial to the Allied victory. His relationships with leaders like Roosevelt and Stalin were pivotal in orchestrating a unified front against the Axis powers. Voiceover. Winston Churchill's leadership not only saw Britain through the storm of World War II, but also shaped the post-war world. His legacy, marked by his unyielding resolve and eloquent oration, continues to inspire leaders and citizens alike. Voiceover. On May 10th, we remember not just the day Churchill became Prime Minister, but the moment when a beacon of hope ignited for a beleaguered nation. His journey reminds us of the profound impact determined leadership can have during times of grave crisis.